Hi guys, welcome to this playlist. In this playlist, we're gonna talk about content creation equipment with zero money, completely free. Yes. For example, the microphone is in my chest is actually not a microphone. It's my buds. Yeah, but you can hear me very clearly. I'm gonna teach you all of this, how to create your background, how to record your video professional way, how to create your own equipment or etc. Our first video will be about this microphone. So let's begin.